attended this Kennametal program on metal cutting application. This is a 5-day program. The program takes through basics of each and every metal cutting operation.
It is so much informative. It gives you so much exposure to each and every tool, what tool to be used, and how the engineering works exactly when it comes down to the ground zero.
In spite of having number of years experience, still there were some points which I could able to grasp in this course, as earlier we had too much of practical knowledge, but the real theory behind the cutting and actually the mechanism of cutting we could learn in this course.
Actually, this course is very beneficial to me because earlier I was not having much knowledge about the cutting tools, but now I can suggest all my operators, even also my juniors, that which kind of a tool we can use for better application, and moreover how we can increase our productivity.
ट्रेनर्स इफेक्टिव है, उनका नॉलेज जो है, डेप्थ है, वो भी बहुत बढ़िया है। उनका सिखाने का जो नजरिया है, तरीका है, किसी का भी कुछ क्वेश्चंस है, क्वेरी है, तो वो भी अच्छी तरीके से वो लोग हैंडल कर रहे हैं।
They also conducted the practical trial for which changing the cutters, how the chip color change and how the shape of the chip change.
The reason why I chose for the course was application process was a difficult task for me because I was lagging with the experience. The trainers who are in Kennametal have helped me to fill the gap between where I was and where I wanted to be, like the experience wise.
ಕಂಪನಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬಾನೇ ಸಾಲಿಡ್ ಕಾರ್ಬೆಟ್ಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು. ಆ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ತುಂಬಾನೇ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಮೊದಲಿಗಿಂತನೂ ಈಗ ನಾನು ನಾಲೆಡ್ಜ್ನ ತುಂಬಾನೇ ಗೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಈಗ ಕಂಪನಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಓನಾಗಿ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಲ್ಲೆ, ಇದು ಹೀಗೆ ಈ ಟೂಲ್ ಈ ತರ ಅಂತ ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿದ್ದು.
Colleagues who are in metal cutting function or the colleagues who are into the study phase to join this course, as this is a very good to enhance your knowledge and future progress.
The kind of knowledge that you will get after you finish this course is on another level.
And I really suggest whosoever is looking for deeper knowledge on this field, one should go for it.
जो भी मैं यहाँ पे सीखा हूँ, आई एम श्योर कि मैं आगे जाके इम्प्लीमेंट उसको करूंगा और अच्छी तरीके से कर भी पाऊंगा। पहले से मुझे नॉलेज था, लेकिन अब मेरे पास नॉलेज के साथ डेप्थ ऑफ द नॉलेज है। सो हैव अ नाइस लर्निंग।
This program is an essential for every beginner, and people who are experienced can get more in-depth knowledge. Thank you.
ಕೆನಾಮೆಟಲ್ಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಗೆ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಳಿಸಿರುವಂಥ ನಮ್ಮ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಗೂ ತುಂಬ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ.
Thank you.
All the good wishes to the team. Thank you so much.
Thank you for the support what Kennametal has shown to us.